Hello, people. After so long, I'm doing a recording, and it's like I just got back from work. So basically, that's what the place where I'm recording right now is Maritpalli. No, I have this friend, female friend, who's told me please don't mention where you are recording from and stuff like that. But it's okay. This lovely lush green, and it's so long since I made a video. So um, people, do you think an impromptu videos are good, or do you think I should rehearse and then speak? I personally enjoy impromptu videos, yeah, and especially when they're short. So yeah, but yeah, there's so many movies and books that I've been reading that I should probably do a review on. And see, there's a change of hairstyle. Yeah. One of my, of the 1,000 videos I made, this is one of the few videos with a different hairstyle. News flash, really. So anyway, I have like these little boys playing in the background. But yeah, it's a Thursday evening as I'm recording this, and weekends, as you all know, is like super busy with my little 6-year-old. So he's going to turn 7 now soon. So anyway, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.